When you put your car in park, you expect it to stay exactly where you left it, but when your vehicle throws the trouble code P07BB, it is a warning that something is wrong with the transmission park position sensor circuit. This code is a generic powertrain issue that affects many vehicles with automatic transmissions, including popular models from Ford, Chevrolet, and Dodge across the country. The purpose of this specific circuit is to monitor exactly where your transmission is sitting and send a signal to the powertrain control module when you move the lever into the park position. This is a very important safety feature because it is what prevents your starter from engaging while the vehicle is in gear, which could cause the car to lunge forward unexpectedly and hit something or someone. When the computer detects that the performance of the circuit is lower than expected, it triggers the check engine light or the service engine soon lamp and sets this code. The symptoms can be very frustrating and even a bit scary for any driver. You might find that your vehicle will not start because the computer does not think it is safely in park, or worse yet, the starter might engage even when the car is in a drive gear. You might also have trouble physically moving the shifter in or out of the park position, or you might just see the warning light glowing on your dashboard. The most common causes are a defective park position sensor or switch, but it can also be caused by a corroded connector or a simple broken wire underneath the car that has been damaged by road debris. To start troubleshooting, you should look for any technical service bulletins that apply to your specific year and model to see if there is a common fix. Locate the sensor, which is usually found on the side of the transmission housing, and give the wiring a close look for any damage. Search for any signs of rubbing bare wires or green corrosion inside the connectors that might be interfering with the signal. If you have a digital multimeter, you can check the voltage going into the switch and see if it is sending the correct signal back to the computer when you move the shifter through its range. If you see voltage going in but nothing coming out when the car is in park, then the switch itself has likely failed internally. This is a job that can be a bit tricky because the switch often needs to be perfectly aligned to work right and keep your car safe. If you are not comfortable crawling under your vehicle or testing sensitive safety circuits, you should definitely bring it to a professional shop or your local dealer. Fixing this early will keep your car starting reliably and ensure that your park position is always secure no matter where you park your car. That is it for today. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.